Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat when it says no matching credentials. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, if you are facing this issue, then first what you need to do is tap on forget your password, right? And once you do that, a link or a mail will be sent to you. So simply just open up that mail and then click on the link to reset the password. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is just reset the app. So just head over to your settings app and then tap on general, and once you're inside, tap on iPhone storage and here select Snapchat. And now tap on offload app and then tap on offload app once again to begin the process. And now what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the caches and bugs that is present in the app, which might be causing the problem to occur. So once the process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have an reinstall app. Simply tap on that, which will install a fresh app by clearing all the bugs and caches. And once the process is done, your issue should be fixed, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.